are going to be your host for today's event.
An entrepreneur is a person who has the possession of enterprise, venture or idea and is accountable for the inherent risk and the outcome.
As we know, Ministry of Education, MOE, Government of India is making strong efforts to make innovation and entrepreneurship emerge as one of the focal points of our education system, as well as to create a vibrant local innovation system. Taking part in this initiative, Institutions Innovation Council, CIT 5.0 presents today's workshop on Innovative Project Bootcamp, Learn to Innovate, and seminar on reviewing the potential business benefits of FPGs.
Welcome all of you to this wonderful session, where I would like to introduce you all to today's speakers, Dr. Shishendu Roy, Mr. Avik Kumar Das, and today they will share their inspiring stories to inspire our young minds to emerge out as one of the successful entrepreneurs of tomorrow. I would like to call on the dais Professor Dr. Arpita Chakrabarti, Madam President of IICBIT 5.0, Professor Dr. Tapan Kumar Pal, Vice President of IICBIT 5.0, Now I would like to call Somiji Bhunia.
I would like to call Speaker Dr. Shishendu Roy sir and Mr. Avik Das to the dais and have a seat, sir.
Now I would like to call Somiji Bhunia of CSE first year and Abid Dey, CSE first year, to felicitate our guests and respected professors. Somiji Bhunia, please felicitate our IC President, Dr. Arpita Chakrabarti. After this, we felicitate our IC Vice President, Dr. Tapan Kumar Das. Sorry, Dr. Tapan Kumar Pal. And now Somiji Bhunia will felicitate Professor Deborina Barik, convener of IICBIT 5.0.
I would please request Abid Dey to felicitate our speakers. Dr. Shishendu Roy sir. Shomili, please felicitate our next speaker, Dr. Avik Kumar Das. Thank you, sir, to be a part of today's event.
A very good afternoon to one and all present and we welcome you all, my dear students. You must be knowing what is the seminar topic today and its importance, of course. Under IIC banner, we have started to organize several events, seminars and competitions are already done. You have even participated in different poster making competitions and prototype idea submission competitions even. And after that, this workshop is very important. Now, why it is important, you must be knowing, right? Because first step, you have made some ideation. You have generated some idea to make some project. But then how to implement it? How to implement it using the real-time hardware? If it is a hardware-software combined project, if it is software, then it's fine. And if it is a hardware project, then how to implement it? Or when, even after writing the codes, thousands of lines of codes, you have to make it real time, right? So for that also, you need to make a real-time product after that. And so first step is ideation, generating ideas of making some project that will solve some problems, real-time problems, and then making some prototype. Prototype means which is a version of actually that will actually mimic the original thing, that is the prototype. And after that, when the prototype will work successfully, then you have to convert it into a product. So one by one the things are coming in line. First the idea generation competition, and today you are going to participate in this workshop. During this time you will be learning how to make the projects. Sirs, our eminent speakers are here, they will guide you how to make the projects in real time. And after that we will be coming up with the product making competitions. Okay, so be ready for that, and during the process try to learn as much as possible from our today's speakers. Thank you that much.
So my dear student, my dear fellow colleagues, and the eminent speaker for the today's seminar and workshops. So this is one of the important opportunity for those students that you are going to face different type of hackathons in all India basis, institute levels as well as international level. So this is very important to take some idea and what are the different area that is very emerging for creating any kind of prototypes. So I think this is very opportunity to you that you took different type of knowledge for today's seminar and workshop, and I think this is very fruitful to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. I heartily welcome our eminent speakers, Innovative Kumar Das and Dr. Shishendu Roy. They have come here to give their speech on prototyping model. As we all know, prototype building is a very main part in our project. It might be a CAC project, IT project, or a EC. So we build a prototype to demonstrate the know-how of how the project will work. So today, I heartily welcome our speakers as well as the first year students and some of the second year students who were really enthusiastic to attend the seminar, and our fellow colleagues. So I hope this seminar will be a very fruitful one. We will know how to build a prototype and they will demonstrate it, and hope you will build your own project and participate in different hackathons and make us proud. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your words.
I would like to request Arpita ma'am, Tapan sir and Debulina ma'am to take a seat in the audience.
But I enjoyed the way he interacted with all the students. So I should not say now welcome, I heartily thank both of you because of good lectures, and as he said that our IIC team, they are providing a platform for the first year students to know about what is advanced technology, how this works, so that in future when you are making a project, you just think about all the projects, what they have taught you. So I heartily welcome as well as say thank you both the speakers on behalf of VIT, and I also thank our IIC team and faculties, and above all the students here, all the students and who have organized this event to make it a success. So I should, at the end, one should not give a lecture. Am I right? Because you have already made your brain full with all the words. And I enjoyed Mr. Obi Kumar Das, the way he interacted at the end, giving the example of football. You know, say football, now World Cup football we know almost, and he has linked this with the IoT. So that is the track of his good comments, narrating everything by one words, you know. So thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Engineering from West Bengal University of Technology and Indian Institute of Engineering Science and Technology IIEST Shirpur. He worked as assistant professor in CCOM Engineering College and currently working as SRF attached to the Department of Electronics and Telecom India from 2018. So,
thank you for the brief introduction.
I would like to introduce you all to the other speaker, Dr. Shishendu Roy, founder and director of Digital System Design and co-founder and director of Ad Auto Technology Private Limited. He completed his graduation and post-graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Indian Institute of Engineering, Science and Technology, IIEST Shirpur, and was awarded PhD from National Institute of Technology, Rourkela in VLSI Signal Processing. He has published 3 international SCI index journals, filed 1 Indian patent, and published a book on advanced digital system design. Sir, we would like to invite you on the stage and please commence the workshop and the seminar too.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for the. Am I audible to you now? What is the guess? Who will win the World Cup? Okay. So, you are watching football. Have you noticed the football? In the Qatar World Cup, every offside. No. Everything is, we are saying that it's totally AI based, offside is tracking too much, is against the football spirit, something like that. So have you noticed the football? Anyone have any idea about the football?
There is a GPS.
No. Okay, we'll be covering it. So first, front, if it is possible. Okay. So first of all, I want to thank Innovation Comedian Council IICBIT for inviting us in this, giving us this platform.